Welcome to the School of Health and Long Life. I will be giving several lectures on the nature of cancer, toxemia, which is the root of all of our conditions, diet and nutrition, cleansing, sleep, stress, all of those things, and how they contribute to cancer, and how by controlling them and bringing them under control, the cancer goes away. It's not difficult to get rid of cancer. You can go to a surgeon and cut it out. The hard part is keeping it gone. So that's why this video series was made. In addition to me, I've got 3 incredible people that'll be on this video series. I think you're going to find that it's exactly what you need. So if you are in some far-off country and you don't have the money to come, you don't have the time to come, or because of travel restrictions, you don't need to now, for the most part. Sit back, enjoy, and learn how to live a healthy and long life.